So here's a first truss on the great room. Look at that. So right there, that's the vault. So they are putting up the soffits for the roof here now. All starting to look like a building. I'm pretty sure he's about to die. He just dropped his hard hat. I'll have something to send to his family. Look at this. We got the exterior plywood going up. They're about done with all the trusses. We're gonna put it on the roof here probably next week. And then these guys are jumping over right over there. We got the next building ready to go. They're gonna put all this in around before they put up the roof deck. So after this is done, then the roof deck is next. It is a great day here at Platinum Resort. We got some awesome stuff happening. So we've been in framing for a couple weeks now. You got building C behind me. That is there pretty much all the way framed, getting ready to put the roof on. And then today behind me here, they're starting building D. So we got framing going up all over the place. We're about 2 weeks away from getting the plumber, the electrician, and all the fire stuff back in here. Start really putting this whole thing together. So maybe in a month, we'll have the roof up, we'll have all the exterior up, and it'll be a full dried in building. We got building D, trusses going up here. Neighborhood's coming together. Putting in the road today. We got the rigs, they are dropping off all of the road base here, and we got this equipment here behind me. So you can see over here, they have not put the base in. They got a long way to go. There's a lot of material that we're bringing in here. So here it goes, it's going up, and they're gonna drop this thing out, and all this equipment behind me, put on the road base so that our all of our asphalt can come in and build our road. So we have all the road base in for our new road. So next, you can see the surveyor came and marked all these spots here. So this is the back of curb for our concrete. So next they're putting in all the ribbon curb going around the whole place. And then asphalt will come in and fill in. So you can see here I'm standing on one of the U-shaped driveways for each mansion. And you can see back there, there's a couple more driveways back there. It is a busy day here. We got concrete crews behind me. They got this machine here, right there, that one there. Pretty awesome, it pours the curb. So they literally drive this machine around the whole property, and a cement truck drive next to it, and it just keeps dumping new cement into the machine, and it literally goes around the whole thing and spits out a whole ribbon curve around here. So all that going on, I got framers up above me here, dropping trusses down. We got a lot going on today. So we got siding going up. It kind of has a two-faced look right now, right? That darker side, we have all the siding. So there's 3 foot here down along the bottom of horizontal siding, and then you have this vertical on 16s going around. You see we got windows in. These are some of the bathroom windows here. They've been working on our fireplace wall, building this thing up. So it goes all the way up there and will be all stone. So you can see here, they'll recess the fireplace right here. This is an electric fireplace. And this comes out about 2 feet. So it goes all the way up. And this will be encased with stone. Right here on the side of it, they're gonna put in a built-in bookshelf on both sides of this fireplace wall. So this is exciting. We got all the windows in. They put these in today. They got a whole big old stack more windows to put in. But all the bedroom windows are in. We come take a look at one of these bedrooms. Now it's all starting to take shape. You got the fireplace there, closet, here's window. They're gonna do a triple built-in right there in the corner. Front porch is coming together. We got these windows in here. All this big glass right there. So when you're inside, you go in the foyer, and then this is our sitting room here, and you have these massive windows. I mean, these are literally so big that I can stand in these windows, and this is your view from the front.